The winner of the Rich Dad Special Achievement in Entrepreneurship Award is Data Doctors Computer Services.
I actually fell backwards into the computer business. I really didn't have any background in computers. I didn't know anything about computers. Just happened to be in the retail electronics game. And there was a local outfit that needed retail salespeople. And unbeknownst to me, I was falling into an industry that was going to basically shape the rest of my life.
When Ken Colburn began his career in the mid-'80s, the computer industry was in a state of transition.
At that time, people that bought computers either knew nothing or knew everything. And I was working at a place where the customers all knew more than the people selling it. As time went on, that sophistication level that the customer had started to lower. And so more and more people were buying things and then coming back and saying, I need help. And the company I was working for didn't do any kind of service.
Colburn began helping people with their computer problems after hours and on weekends. And before long, the idea for a more ambitious business venture began to take shape.
I thought, this is amazing. People will pay me for something that I know that they don't. I can remember vividly driving past a television repair shop one day, and I looked at it and I said, you know, someday these computers are going to be in every home. They're going to be very common, and that TV shop will look like a computer shop. There'll be a little repair shop that repairs computers. And I thought, well, you know, that sounds like a manageable ideal for me to build a store like that or build a concept around that.
The modest ambition of a little repair shop evolved considerably. Today, Data Doctors is really 3 different organizations: a network of local retail stores that offer service and repair as well as equipment, a franchise company that provides other entrepreneurs around the country with the skills and opportunity to build their own business, and a recovery lab that provides data recovery and forensic services worldwide. And the foundation of each remains the customer.
It's not about the technology, it's about the people. So we're a little different in that we put people and their data way before technology.
I knew Ken when he was just a simple computer guy who had one place and an enormous amount of patience with techno ninnies like me. I have always called Ken Colburn anytime that I want a definition of anything that started with cyber. He's a great technician, but he's also a real communicator. And I think it's one of the reasons why it is that he has been so successful.
For close to 2 decades, Data Doctors has been connecting people with data and technology. The company has grown to 70 retail locations in 26 markets.
The thing that's really allowed Data Doctors to flourish is the fact that we understand that the core piece in our business is communications, explaining things in real-world terms. If I can educate my customer, they tend to want to continue to use our services.
Colburn's communication skills have made him a media favorite. His efforts, which include a popular radio show, are designed to inform and help bridge the gap with technology. Colburn and Data Doctors also assist parents in supervising their children's internet use. And the company co-sponsors a recycling program that gives high school students an opportunity to learn computer technology by refurbishing used equipment. At the heart of Ken Colburn's accomplishments is a passion for what he does. It is a secret to success that he enthusiastically shares.
The best advice I can give anybody, whether they're looking at a franchise, starting their own business, going to work for someone, it doesn't matter. So you got to have that passion.